We wish we had this team for the rest of our lives.
I just want to congratulate everybody. It's a very special moment and it's still surreal. It is sinking in and it will take some time for all this to sink in, but huge congratulations to the whole team. And it can never happen without the combined effort of everyone, people who are in the front line, who are in the back and whatnot. So big congratulations. Coach, Gigi, skipper, the whole team, support staff, unbelievable job. Today, my privilege is to, when you come to a big final and you bowl out a team for 113, I think the bowling unit really deserves. So we're gonna quickly call each one. Where's Prasad? So can we start with Starkey for? Thank you, Starkey, for what you do. Unbelievable. Vaibhav, you once again came in and just did a tremendous job. Arshit! Ray always comes in and somehow has the knack of picking up crucial wickets and whatnot. You're a superstar and you always show up and do stuff. Mr. Narayan, what can I say about you? Please. Not much left to say. Varun, last but not least, but terrific job. He's not only the highest wicket taker for KKR, but if those two matches had not been washed out, you'd be having the purple caps. I think if I'm not wrong, you finished number 2 for IPL. Like they wanted the speech to finish fast, the innings also they wanted to finish it fast. But Gurbaz, where you are? Amazing innings again. And Venkatesh Iyer, my God. I actually have one more Game Changer award, and I think you'll all agree with me that Shahrukh sir being here was a game-changing moment. So may I request you to...
I just have one request, which is my special thanks to Gigi. I have not thanked him specially. Two things we had decided when we started, that maybe we can make him dance. Sunil has already crossed that boundary. I saw him dance. I saw Sunil dance. So we have to make Gigi dance tonight. So. But thank you everybody. You guys are lovely. God bless you. Just stay healthy, and wherever we go ahead from here onwards, I wish you the best. And I know I speak on behalf of Jay, Juhi, Janvi, Suhana, Pooja, all of us who love you very much, that you make us very emotional, and we wish we had this team for the rest of our lives. And you kept on listening to my speeches and playing like this. But God bless you. Thank you so much. You've been very nice.